Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to convert Facebook account to page. Friends, to convert Facebook account to page, it's an easy process, but you have to follow step by step. So friends, to convert Facebook account to page, first you have to go to your Facebook profile. After that, you have to tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Then my friends, you'll find here your friends, see 4.6k friends. But when you will convert Facebook account to page, it will be converted to followers. And as you can see, it has triple dot, right? But you have to remember one thing. If your profile, Facebook profile is locked, you can't convert to Facebook page. So if you see your Facebook profile is locked, then you have to tap on triple dot. And from here, you have to unlock your Facebook profile, right? After that, again, you have to tap on triple dot. Then you have to tap on turn on professional mode. Then you have to tap on turn on here. You have to wait a few seconds. Then you have to follow step-by-step criteria. Just tap on next. Again, tap on next. And from here, you have to choose your default audience, like suggested, friends, or custom. Then you have to tap on next. Then tap on confirm. Done, my friends, right? See. And furthermore, there is more options. If you want, you can set up later on. Otherwise, you can set up right now. Like this, my friends, right? Then go to dashboards. And also here, you'll find more options. You can set up later on. But now I have converted successfully from my account to page. So I'll go back to check the friends has been converted to followers or not. I'll refresh once, my friends. Still there is a 4.6k friends, right? But I'll refresh once. And see, my friends. Here is 4.9k followers and 497 following, right? It has been converted successfully from my account to page. So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can convert Facebook account to page. Friends, to convert Facebook account to page, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.